I'm Dr. Mehrul, CEO of Tech Tribune. I'm guiding you through the essential aspects of digital marketing. In the first video, I covered the topic on digital marketing in the modern era, trends in 2024. In this video, I'll talk about the basic segments of digital marketing, describing specific channels and purposes. Don't miss our videos. Please stay tuned and subscribe our channel. At Tech Tribune, we empower learners to gather knowledge on specific topics. Today, we are going to dive into the world of basic segments of digital marketing, describing specific channels and purposes. In digital marketing, a channel refers to a platform or medium through which a marketer can reach their target audience to promote products, services, or brand messages. Each channel acts to communicate and engage with potential customers. First of all, I'm going to talk about SEO, that is search engine optimization. It is a very significant segment of digital marketing. We are always searching for our desired things on search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing with keywords. For example, you are on a trip to Switzerland and looking for fresh meat in Lausanne, a small city in Switzerland. You can write some keywords such as fresh meat in Lausanne or halal meat in Lausanne or good quality meat in Switzerland near me, etc. Then any grocery business website who are selling fresh meats can appear on top if they do SEO on that website. Basically, SEO is the practice of optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine results pages, that is SERPs. It involves improving website quality, relevance, and authority to increase organic, that means the non-paid traffic from search engines. SEO encompasses various strategies, including keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and content creation, aiming to enhance visibility and attract targeted visitors to a website. It's an effective way to build brand awareness, increase credibility, and reach targeted audiences effectively. Secondly, I will discuss another important segment of digital marketing, that is search engine marketing, often referred to as SEM or ACM, with a particular focus on pay-per-click advertising, commonly known as PPC. Channels for ACM are Google Ads, Bing Ads, Yahoo Ads. Search engine marketing is a digital marketing strategy focused on increasing a website visibility in search engine result pages, that is SERPs, through paid advertising. It involves bidding on keywords relevant to your business and targeting specific demographics to drive traffic and conversions. SEM complements search engine optimization efforts and provides immediate results for businesses looking to boost their online presence and reach their target audiences. Third segment is SMM, that is social media marketing. Social media marketing is a digital marketing strategy that utilizes social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, TikTok, etc. to connect with audiences, build brand awareness, and drive engagement. It can drive website traffic through organic and paid social media posts. The fourth segment is display advertising, where banner ads, pop-up ads, native ads, and similar formats are used for display advertising. It involves visually engaging ads that appear on websites, apps, and social media platforms to increase brand visibility, drive website traffic, and generate leads or sales. The fifth basic segment of digital marketing is content marketing. It uses channels like blogs, articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, ebooks, white papers, etc. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach that involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a clearly defined audience. It aims to provide useful information to consumers, build brand awareness, and ultimately drive profitable customer action. Using these channels, businesses can establish themselves as authorities in their industry and foster long-term relationships with their audience. Sixth segment is email marketing, which uses channels like email newsletters, drip campaigns, promotional emails, and transactional emails. This strategy involves sending targeted emails to a group of subscribers to promote products, services, or brand messages. It's cost-effective, highly customizable, and allows for personalized communication with subscribers. Through compelling subject lines, valuable content, and clear calls to action, businesses can nurture leads, drive conversions, and build lasting relationships with their audiences. Seventh segment is mobile marketing. With the increasing use of mobile devices, mobile marketing has become essential for connecting with your audience. Mobile marketing involves reaching consumers through their smartphones and tablets. It includes various strategies such as SMS marketing, mobile apps, mobile-friendly websites, and mobile advertising on social media and other platforms. The purpose is to target users on mobile devices with personalized content, promotions, and offers to drive engagement, sales, and brand loyalty. Eighth segment is video marketing. Video marketing is the use of video content to promote products, services, or brands and engage with an audience. It's highly engaging, easily shareable, and can convey complex messages effectively. Through platforms like YouTube, social media, and websites, businesses can reach a wide audience, increase brand awareness, and drive conversions. The purpose is to create high-quality and relevant video content to educate, entertain, or inspire audiences, increase brand awareness, and drive engagement and conversions. Ninth segment is influencer marketing, which is a collaborative strategy where businesses partner with individuals who have a significant following on social media or other platforms. These influencers promote products or services to their audience, leveraging their credibility and reach. It's an effective way to build brand awareness, increase credibility, and reach targeted audiences effectively. 10th segment is affiliate marketing. It's a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward affiliates for driving traffic or sales to their website through the affiliates marketing efforts. It's cost-effective, risk-free, and scalable, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to expand their reach and increase sales. This strategy uses affiliate networks, blogs, websites, social media, and partnering with affiliates such as publishers, influencers, or bloggers who promote products or services in exchange for a commission on sales or leads generated through their referral links. In the upcoming video, I will talk about SEO and AI, where I will describe the key elements of SEO and how AI is transforming SEO. Don't miss our upcoming video and please stay tuned to our channel.